Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video, it's a workout day. Yes, today is workout day. Kaya, samahan niyo akong mag-workout tayo. Kasi sa hotel, may gym sila. Kaya tara, let's go! So we are here in the hotel gym. So it's workout day with boyfriend. Kaya samahan niyo kami guys. Mag-workout tayo. So umpisan muna natin yung treadmill. Let's start walking and then running. So we're done our exercise. So mabalik na kami sa room namin. And that's for today guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.